See if this Amazon vacuum can suck up this piece of debris. It's very, very automated. I mean, doing its job on its own. It's already mapped out the house. There it goes. There was a tie tack on the floor there. It sucked that right up. Let's see if it's going to get anything over here. It's actually very smart. Oh, check this out. It's going after the phone. Oh, there it goes. Wow. So it seemed to know there's a piece of debris there. Yeah, no, it's doing its job. It's very neat. This is something, you know, it's very new technology, but it's very accurate.